This is an adapter, but this is what happens when you try too hard. So I hope we have something impact worthy that'll fit 3/8 inch to 3/8 inch, because this is what happens. Now these are 3/8 inch, but fighting against that, we're gonna need an impact, and if we can do that, that'll be okay. But that's about it. Last draw right there.
That's how I do it. I don't go by.
Looks as good as tight as she's gonna
The
get.
machine is right here.
Machine fits.
Make sure you're on reverse, not on tight. Okay.
Yeah.
I hope so, my nigga.
But getting the gun in there is another story altogether. Here you go. Getting the gun in there. Hey, tell me if the gun fits. Look. Fucking look. Don't fucking stand there. Fucking look. Does the gun fit in there? The gun does not fit. This is the part where you use a ratchet. Since we can't fit the drill impact, sadly, we're gonna use this and hope for the best. Will she crack loose? Oh, hot. Oh, she cracked loose. We have a winner. And we want to tighten her back up before something bad happens. Okay, nothing bad happens. Next. Fits nicely. Try not to burn ourselves on the exhaust, and that's the magic. Nice little leverage. Gently. And we're not gently. Don't break the ratchet. I felt it crack. Yes. Success. Uh-oh. Problem. These things. All right. Can you hear me? All right, so pump the brakes 10 times and then hold it, okay? Tell me. Not yet, just do that first. I'm only gonna let a little bit out at a time, don't worry. Pump the brakes and tell me. I have brake fluid, just pump the brakes. Yes. 10 good pumps and hold.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. There you go. All right, pump. Pump again. Yeah.
1, 2, 4.
Okay. She's close. Pump again. Okay. Give you a quick. All right. Pump again.